The opening force is effortless, and the smooth and silent closing action complements any cabinet or furniture design for a lasting customer experience. The new Anyway Snap-On attachment technique is quick and convenient. Not only is the efficiency of door attachment improved, but the connection between the hinge and mounting plate is stronger. The Anyway Snap-On feature is particularly useful on tall doors with multiple hinges. With its innovative damper concealed in the smallest space, stylish hinges lead the way for a premium experience in door motion. Stylish hinges perform in a temperature range from -30 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius. The hinges are subjected to industry standard salt spray testing and pass at 48 hours.